Welcome to Lily Toys. Guess the animals from their shadows in 3 seconds. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Can you guess the insect? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a termite. Do you know what this is, kids? This is a termite. Can you guess the insect? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a centipede. Do you know what this is, kids? This is a centipede. Can you guess the insect? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a fly. Do you know what this is, kids? This is a fly. Can you guess the insect? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a mosquito. Do you know what this is, kids? This is a mosquito. Can you guess the insect? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a dragonfly. Do you know what this is, kids? This is a dragonfly. Can you guess the insect? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is an earthworm. Do you know what this is, kids? This is an earthworm. Can you guess the insect? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is an ant. Do you know what this is, kids? This is an ant. Can you guess the insect? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a butterfly. Do you know what this is, kids? This is a butterfly.
Hi friends, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell to see more videos. Thanks for watching.